Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update NVIDIA drivers using GeForce Experience step by step clearly. Open your computer and log into your operating system. Locate the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application on your desktop or through the Start menu. Double-click the GeForce Experience icon to launch the application. Once the application is open, navigate to the Drivers tab at the top of the window. In the Drivers tab, you will see your current driver version listed. Click the Check for Updates button located in the top right corner. The application will now search for the latest driver updates available for your system. If a new driver is found, you will see a notification indicating the latest version and its features. Click the Download button to start downloading the new driver. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, click the Express Installation option for a straightforward update. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to start the installation process. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. The installer will now begin updating your NVIDIA drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, you may be prompted to restart your computer. Restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. After your computer restarts, you can open GeForce Experience again to confirm your drivers are updated. Check the Drivers tab once more to verify that the latest version is now installed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.